checking out your Missed Quik weather update. Nathan Kitchens here. We have a little bit of rain in the forecast tomorrow. We will watch the remains of Tropical Storm Barry, which is just now a tropical depression. It will bring some moisture our way. We'll have scattered tropical downpours out there tomorrow. But the best chance of rain comes later in the day. I do think there'll be quite a bit of dry hours tomorrow. I'll have a few showers to start off our day tomorrow. A little damp, a little humid out there. We'll keep a few showers around through lunchtime. But our best chance of rain will come about mid-afternoon, 2 p.m. onward here. We'll have about a 70% chance of, or 70% coverage of rain, I think, as we get toward 5 p.m. And rain will be fairly likely as we go through the evening. At some point, you will likely get some rain over your location here. As we look at the forecast moving forward through tomorrow, get a best chance of rain from about 2 p.m. through the evening here and into tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, as we look at our 7-day forecast, you'll notice the rain's chances start to go down. We'll see decreasing coverage on Wednesday, and as we go into Thursday, we'll see just a very slim chance of anything popping up. I think we're going to trend dry for the most part here for the end of the week. The big story is going to be the temperature forecast. You notice the temperatures here as we go from the 80s tomorrow to the 90s by the time we get to Thursday. And we're talking a stretch of mid to upper 90s for high temperatures Thursday through Sunday. And when you factor in high humidity, it's going to feel more like this. These are your feel-like temperatures here. 112 is what it could feel like on Saturday. This is some very brutal stuff. You want to make sure you are prepared for this. Make sure your air conditioning is ready to handle some very high use here with these low temperatures at night, only in the upper 70s, so we're not going to get relief there either. And, you know, as far as rain chances, they're going to be pretty limited for the end of the week. Maybe a little bit of an uptick in rain chances by Monday as a front will approach the area. But, you know, tomorrow we could see maybe a ½ inch to an inch and a quarter of rain. Some areas will miss out, but I think a lot of us will get some rain out there. But then after that, we're going to see a very hot stretch of weather here to end our week this week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.